Imagine this, a future where we don't have to worry about the Earth slowly dying and climate change slows down. Sounds like a dream, right? Helping the Earth get better sounds hard to achieve, but can be done if everyone lends a hand and steps out. Going plant-based and pursuing a vegan lifestyle helps not only the environment, but also our bodies. The definition of plant-based is focusing mostly on vegetables, fruits, and grains, less on animal products. By choosing to go plant-based, you are helping the earth, your health, and making the animals happy. In this speech, I will be further explaining why it is beneficial and the evidence that lies beyond it. In recent years, as more data has emerged regarding the health threats associated with processed meats and other animal-based foods, many Americans have chosen to adopt either a vegetarian or vegan lifestyle. According to a 2018 Gallup poll, 5% and 3% of Americans consider themselves vegetarians and vegans, respectively. Most of them think that plant-based foods are more beneficial for their health. Many research has proved plant-based foods can decrease the risk of bad diseases like cancer. Plant-based diets' benefits to health is that it can help with strengthening the immune system, reduce inflammation, reduce risk of other diseases, and more. According to a study by the University of Texas MD Anderson Cancer Center, plants have nutrients that have antioxidants to it and can help reduce the risk of cancer. A healthy immune system is essential for reducing your risk for cancer because it can recognize and attack mutations in cells before they can progress to disease. Quoted from the author of Alexander 2019. This proves that going plant-based can be a great prevention against diseases that might be occurring in the future. Other benefits to the human body includes the lowering of heart disease and diabetes. A vegetarian diet is linked to lower risk of heart diseases and diabetes, quoted by the author of Cho, year of 2018. At the same time, vegetarianism is also very helpful in reducing the incidence of cardiovascular diseases. Warren suggested replacing animal fats with plant-based unsaturated fats can reduce cardiovascular disease risk by decreasing blood vessel inflammation and preventing blockages. Additionally, unsaturated fats and fiber may enhance blood vessel function and lower blood pressure, quoted by the author of Costa in the year 2024. In a systematic review and meta-analysis, researchers examined 7 random controlled trials on vegetarian and vegan diets for treating adults with type 2 diabetes. These studies, which lasted an average of 26 weeks, involved 770 predominantly middle-aged participants aged 44 to 61. Vegetarian diets generally exclude meat, poultry, and seafood, while vegan diets further eliminate other animal products like egg and dairy. In this review, vegetarian encompassed all types. Results suggest with moderate certainty that vegetarian diets support blood sugar control, reducing hemoglobin ELK by 0.40% and lowering body mass index by 0.696. The environmental aspects of adopting a plant-based diet includes less resources to make the foods unlike other types of protein. Researchers have shown that it takes 18 times less land, 10 times less water, 2 times less fertilizer, and 10 times fewer pesticides. According to the author, he stated, "Here's an example to illustrate. Compared to producing 1 kilogram of protein from beef, producing just 1 kilogram of protein from kidney beans requires 18 times less land, 10 times less water, 9 times less fuel, 12 times less fertilizer, and 10 times fewer pesticides." From the author of Cho from the year of 2018. The benefits of going meat-free would mean that you will reduce the amount of emissions just as much as spending. According to the U.S. Department of Agriculture, quoted, "In other words, going vegetarian for 1 year would reduce an average American's emission by the same amount as spending, at current prices, just over $8 to buy cap and trade emissions allowances through the Regional Greenhouse Gas Initiative that operates among 9 northeastern states," stated from author Bailey in the year 2019. This provides further evidence and proof that it will mean less carbon emissions for the climate change issue. When we adopt vegetarianism to replace meat-eating habits, it is also protecting animals and preventing more animals from suffering and being killed. Therefore, vegetarianism can not only make us healthier, but also protects animals and the environment.